topic for today. Step 1. Download this app, YouTube Studio application. Step 2. Install the YouTube Studio and connect it to your YouTube account. Step 3. Click Dashboard from your YouTube Studio app. Step 4. Select a video that you want to add a cover. Step 5. Click the edit icon. It looks like a white pencil located on the top right of your chosen video. Step 6. Now click Edit Thumbnail. Next, select Custom Thumbnail. Step 7. From the gallery of your device or phone, choose one image or picture that you want to serve as a cover for your YouTube video. Step 8, and also the last. Click Select, located on top right of your chosen cover. Then click Save.